Today I made a beautiful grilled feast out here in my yard. It is so full of flavor. One, because I prepared all the vegetables and my mushrooms and even the flatbread, yes, on my charcoal grill out here. And also because I made an amazing red bell pepper sauce with the red bell peppers that I grilled out here. I am no grill expert, but I'm so proud of how well everything turned out today. This video is sponsored by Kroger, where I got all my ingredients to make this gorgeous, delicious meal. They're encouraging all of us to have cook-ins this summer. Yes, I know with social distancing, cookouts are going to be on hold for 2020, but that doesn't mean we cannot cook in our own backyard and continue to make delicious food on the grill. So I'm going to share with you some of my tips for grilling to perfection and also optimizing that grilled, smoky, delicious flavor, whether you're grilling outside or in your house on a grill pan. Okay, so let's get started with this feast. Before I start with the food, I'm just going to get my grill going. Since I use a charcoal grill, it takes about 20 minutes to heat. I don't like to use lighter fluid, so I'm just going to get my charcoal going with some newspaper and twigs. Now let's ready our vegetables. Use a towel to wipe the portobello mushrooms clean. Then pop off their stems. Save them for veggie broth. To prep the zucchini, I'm just going to cut them into thinner pieces. And I'm chopping the tougher bottoms off of the brocollini. Cooking vegetables on the grill is actually super duper easy. I have a small grill, so I had to do it in batches, but the key is to prep your vegetables ahead of time and put them all on a platter together. That way you have all your veggies right where you need them before they go onto the grill, and when they come off the grill, have that tray ready too, so you can receive your food without burning it. Like I said, I'm no grill master, so I did burn a few zucchinis, but you know, extra flavor. Make a quick marinade for the mushrooms and veggies with balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, olive oil, and garlic powder. Place the mushrooms in a baking dish and coat with the marinade. Let that sit for 10 minutes. Once the grill is hot, you want to get those red bell peppers done first. We'll be using them to make our red pepper sauce. Place the marinated mushrooms on the grill. I should have put the gill side down first, by the way. As they grill, brush them with more marinade. Now when it comes to mushrooms on the grill, they are a perfect replacement for meat. A lot of people tell me that the reason they haven't yet gone vegan is just because they haven't been able to find a replacement for meat that is just as easy to prepare. But I always just ask them, have you never eaten mushrooms? Because mushrooms are so full of flavor, a lot more than any animal protein, by the way. And they're super easy to prepare. So you don't need to marinate them for a long amount of time like tempeh or tofu, and you don't have to do anything to them like cut them fancy or none of that. For these portobello mushrooms, we simply remove the stem, put them in a very simple 4-ingredient marinade for just a couple of minutes while I did something else, and then they went onto the grill. And they happen to be the most delicious portobello mushrooms that I have ever had. But not only that, they are filling and they are a great replacement for meat on the grill and on your plate for every day of the week. Once the peppers are charred on all sides and soft, place them in a bowl and cover with a lid. This will help them steam and soften more, and that will make them even better for our sauce. Toss the zucchini in the marinade and then transfer your slices to the grill. Toss the broccoli in the marinade and then grill them until they're tender but still bright. Once the peppers are cool, carefully peel them and remove the seeds. Place them in the food processor along with toasted walnuts, garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, lemon juice, pepper, pomegranate molasses, and salt. Add the olive oil as it blends. Blend until combined, but don't puree it. Now, if you want to do this super fast and you don't want to roast your own red bell peppers and then wait for them to peel and blah, 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 you can also just buy red bell peppers in a jar at Kroger, already roasted, perfect for the Muhammara sauce. Flatten your flatbread dough on a floured surface. I use my fingers with gravity to help them stretch out. Rub a bit of olive oil onto them. Then place that oiled side down on the grill and add a little bit more oil to the top. I actually prepared my dough for this flatbread 2 or 3 days ago. It is super duper easy. I have the recipe on my blog so you can check it out. But it's basically just flour, yeast, salt, and oil, and of course water. And you let it rise for like an hour, and then you form it into your flatbread shapes, like pizza shape, and you throw it on the grill. So easy, anybody can do it. I do recommend preparing them ahead of time so that you can just pop them out of your refrigerator when you're ready to grill them and eat them. It's time to plate our grilled meal. Place it all on a plate with the Muhammara sauce, I think that's how you pronounce it, and garnish with fresh herbs. So now you know how to make a delicious feast on your grill using all plant-based ingredients. That Muhammara sauce is the bomb, so make sure you make that. Actually, you know what? It's my favorite sauce in the whole wide world. I think you're gonna agree with me on that front. If you wanna do it without nuts, you can totally replace the walnuts with pumpkin seeds. It's also super yummy like that. Thanks so much to Kroger for sponsoring this video and inspiring us to cook in all summer. Get your grills out if you haven't used them for a while and start grilling vegetables and mushrooms. Use my recipe, let me know what you think. Share in the comment section down below what you plan on grilling this summer. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more grilling or outside cooking videos in the future. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, Sweet Potato Soul, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a future video. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I'm about to eat my food. It looks amazing. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I already ate quite a bit of the mushrooms, and in order to get this plate like picture perfect, because I had to take photos, I stuck another mushroom that I had eaten just about 50% of underneath the top pretty mushroom. You know, behind the scenes. Oh.